This is a video on how to use GlazeCal, your glaze making cheat sheet. GlazeCal is a conversion chart that converts 16,000 glaze recipe percentages into the correct gram weight. It measures from 0.1% to 80% at 0.1% intervals. It also ranges from 500 gram batches to 10,000 gram batches at 500 gram intervals. To use GlazeCal, first decide on the glaze batch that you're wanting to make. Say, for example, you want to make a 5,000 gram batch of your glaze. You simply slide the batch weight window to 5,000 grams using the tabs located at the top and the bottom of the two panels. You want to make sure that you do this for both panels. Your glaze recipe calls for 26.0% of NC4 feldspar. You want to look at the tab or the panel that measures 26%. You will see that you need 1,300 grams of NC4 feldspar. The next ingredient calls for 13.0% of calcium carbonate. Again, you want to look at the panel that will measure 13.0%. You will see that you need 650 grams of calcium carbonate to your glaze bucket. GlazeCal is easy to use, it's fast and portable. Don't be responsible for bad math ruining your glaze bucket.